Hi, welcome to Tech Savvy. Tony Sells here, your host, where we ask CEOs of technology companies how they're going to go to market. Brandon, you've got a long time, about 8-year-old software development firm called Anacor right here in Carmel, Indiana, and you're launching a new product now called Synthesis. Now, what is Synthesis and how did you come up with this?
Correct. So Synthesis is an interactive collaboration system that we've developed. The first client on this platform is Eli Lilly.
Okay.
And they came to us about 9 months ago, actually. They had really circled the globe looking for a product that did what Synthesis does. So the name, actually, Synthesis, if you've ever heard it in a market research context, refers to the way that Eli Lilly and their researchers hold their meetings. They'll come together and lock themselves in a room for a day.
Sure.
And kind of like a war room where they're bringing in all their research, they're putting it all up on the wall.
Sure.
Newspaper clippings, charts and data.
Okay.
And using yarn to draw between thumbtacks to show connections between the information.
Sure.
They'll have patient interviews running on a TV.
Okay.
Other sources, they'll have laptops connected, and so traditionally, really capturing those meetings, they would rely on taking photos, or maybe a voice recorder on the table, or a video camera in the back of the room that's recording that. But Synthesis really is designed to digitize that entire process, where it's a large screen where they're able to put all that information up on the screen.
Okay.
Everybody in the room, they're wearing a microphone. Everything's being recorded. We know who's talking at any given time. We know what they're talking about.
So you're really capturing everything.
Every aspect of that meeting. And the thing is, these meetings, they don't just take place over a single day. There'll be multiple meetings over the course of a year or even longer. And so, at the end of the day, they've got to, dismantle everything that they've, all these sticky notes, everything that they put up, and then
re-put it back up.
Exactly. So that's very inefficient.
Sure.
Also with Synthesis, it's a much more engaging system.
You get everybody to play all the time.
Exactly right.
So where do you think the ideal client lies in this? Is it pharma?
No, not necessarily. I mean, this product is perfect for any kind of research and development company.
Okay.
It really, as I mentioned.
So GM, could be architects, could be.
Without a doubt.
Right. Anything like that they have a lot of people that have got to collaborate with a lot of data.
That's right. And these people are, their time is very valuable. And so, to make sure you get the most out of them, the limited amount of time that you have, when you bring them all together. And not only can we bring in, of course, everybody within the room, but we also, using video conferencing, we're able to bring in remote participants who can also collaborate. And again, all of that.
Telepresence in.
Exactly right.
Wow.
Yep.
So how many data sources? And there's something about touch in this too.
That's right. So what we've developed at our office, it's a kind of a prototype system, but it's actually a 14-foot wide multi-touch screen. So multiple users can actually walk up to the screen and interact at the same time.
That's right. I mean, so this is really going to revolutionize the way people work together at corporate America level, right? The Fortune 500 level, wouldn't you agree?
I think so, without a doubt. I think Synthesis represents the conference room of the future.